Hello and welcome to this short presentation. In this video we're going to talk about finding all the notes on the piano. When you're doing piano, one of the things you've got to know first off, and one of the things that I always teach my students, is where the bottom A is. Sounds like that, sounds very low. And also, I tell them, okay, find C, which is the note that I always give them first. C number 1, C number 2, C number 3, C number 4, C number 5, C number 6, C number 7, C number 8. So there are 8 C's in the piano. And if that is true, then every letter of the alphabet, A through G, also has 8 keys. So finding all of the A's. A, number 1, A number 2, A number 3, 4. This is A440 after middle C. This is A number 5, 6, 7. So then again, let's go back over. This is actually 8, not 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So there's actually 8 A's there. And same thing with the B's. If you were going to find those, the B's would be, the first B would be right there. Second B would be right there. Third B, fourth B, fifth B, sixth B, seventh B, eighth B. Alright, so you get the hang of this by actually playing all the notes in their locations that you'll find. In the next video, what we'll go over is an easier way to find each of the notes rather than having to sit there and plunk them out. But this is one way to do it, and this is one way I do teach my students how to do it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to consult the Q&A or the comments, and I will see you in the next video.